First of all, Pranav, many congratulations for scoring
Thank you, sir.
675 in NEET 2020. And first attempt in NEET. And heartiest congratulations on the behalf of Calvin once again, Mita.
Thank you, sir.
So, Pranav, tell us exactly how you was feeling when you have checked the result.
So, due to the pandemic, I was well aware that all the aspirants had a lot of time to prepare. So, I was expecting the cutoffs to go higher,
Mm-hmm.
and I was anticipating my rank somewhere in the top 1000. So, I was pleasantly surprised to see my All India rank of 428.
That's great, yeah.
And
Mhm.
it was a euphoric moment for my family and I.
Of course, it was, Beta. We are also proud that the students like you are doing such a great initiative and such a great things doing. So just let us know who have checked the result, you or your mother.
I checked the result.
Okay, after how many struggle because we have got to know कि the website has been hacked, right? Because होता है generally जब इतने सारे लाखों बच्चे उसके लिए रिजल्ट के लिए चेक कर रहे होते हैं तो there are some things which has been fishy. So उस टाइम पे easily check हो गया था result.
नहीं, 4 o'clock कह रहे थे आएगा, बट 4 घंटे के बाद हमने देखा,
Okay,
वो
so
फाइनली साइट खुली थी.
okay, so tell us, Pranav, ki, from which particular batch you are in the Kelvin,
So I joined online classes with Kelvin Institute.
right? So was it easy to score 600 plus?
No, it is not easy to score 600 plus in NEET because you require thorough revision of the NCRT books,
Of course,
and without multiple revisions of the same topic, it is very difficult to recall at the right time the answer to a question which is asked from a syllabus of more than 100 chapters.
right,
So I feel that your concept should be crystal clear across the three subjects, and speed and accuracy is the key to a good score.
right. Perfect answer. So this dream of doctor is of yours or your parents?
This dream of becoming a doctor is not only mine, but it is also of my parents.
Okay,
So when I was in the 8th standard itself, I had made up my mind that I only want to be a doctor.
that's so great. It's been around 6 to 7 years back.
Yes, my nani and dadi, they also envisioned me as a doctor, and I'm proud that I kept the promise that I made to them.
Of course, the blessing of the elders are on the work. So it's been great pleasure. So
Yes.
what are the challenges you have faced, प्रणव? क्योंकि 16 लाख बच्चे जब एक एग्जाम में बैठ रहे होते हैं, प्रेशर होता है कहीं ना कहीं कि 16 lakh students are fighting for the seats. So what kind of challenges you have faced over there?
So when I was preparing for NEET, initially I was not faring well. I rarely made it to the toppers list, and there was a significant difference between my marks and the toppers' marks. So I was really worried that if I cannot stand out from a limited batch of students, then how should I compete with over 16 lakh students?
Right,
So I kept myself motivated and I believed in myself that when the time would come for me to perform, I will perform.
right.
And my parents and my younger brother, they were very instrumental in my success. My mother was deeply involved in my studies and she supported me every step of the way.
Right. We got to know that she really has, did everything to, keep you in this part so that you can enjoy the study, right? You can enjoy the learning part. So just tell us, Pranav, ki how Kelvin how you have found Kelvin best according to you.
I feel that the faculty is excellent, especially Surendra Nagia sir, who tremendously helped me in enhancing my concepts in chemistry.
Right.
And similarly, Dr. Sanjay Kaushik and Vipul Agarwal sir, who really
Yes.
contributed a lot in my success.
So
So whenever I had doubts, they readily helped me find solutions for them. So I feel that Kelvin stands out because of its capable and dedicated faculty.
that's a great. So, particularly when you are preparing, competitive exam like NEET, which is a national exam, toughest exam of nation. So, particularly you have to keep your study material or your modules, very particular. So, how you have found out Kelvin study material is best for the NEET preparation?
Kelvin study material is more than enough for NEET, and it's written in a very simple language, and by reading it, anyone can score a good rank. I
Mhm.
feel.
So as you know, in this pandemic, only the online transformation, you can say, or the digital education transformation has been came out. So what do you want to say for the e-kites application which we are having for the students who want to join online program of Kelvin? Because there are so many students who have the psychology की online से तो नहीं होगा, online से तो doubt session नहीं होते हैं, online से you cannot study. So how you want to enlighten on that?
The Kites app, it was a brilliant app. Like, it provided me with all aspects of learning. It had online classes, recorded lectures, previous year papers, weekly mock tests, and it was very user friendly. And above all of that, it helped me to analyze my performance.
Of course. So we keep on learning that part. So these are the all the things which you have told about Kelvin. Like एक ऐसा भी होता है जब कंपटीशन में होते हो तो तीनों सब्जेक्ट्स या जो भी सब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं वी हैव टू कीप अ बैलेंस ऑन दैट. सो इज देयर इज एनी पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट who has been troubling you in this part of journey?
Mm. So, the toughest subject in my NEET preparation was physics. Like,
Mm-hmm.
initially, I struggled a bit with it, but then I focused on how the formula was derived rather than just cramming up the formulas in your head.
Of
So
course.
I solved sums from each topic as much as I could, and I would say that you need to focus first on the chapters that hold more weightage, such
Right.
as rotation, motion and mechanics, thermodynamics, ray optics. They require a better understanding of concepts. So
Mm.
I think to master physics, you need practice, because practice will increase your accuracy and develop your confidence. So
Right.
practice beats all.
Right. The concept has to be very clear. You don't need to be cramming for the competitive exam, of course, because you are competing with not only the subject, you are competing with the other student also, who we don't know how they are preparing. So that's a great conversation we do have. So one of the last message to the future aspirants who are going to be appear in the NEET 2021. What exactly they have to be strategically, or we can say what is a success recipe you might have for them.
I would urge the NEET 2021 aspirants to thoroughly revise the NCERT books. They should create a realistic timetable and revise regularly. They should put time and patience in their toughest subjects. They should be systematic. They should be honest with themselves and their work, and revisit all the mistakes that you make in your mock test. So, and last but not the least, they need to remember how much they aspire to be a doctor. I strongly feel that the struggle is worth it.
That is the most important part, because if you have chosen to be a doctor for the society, then you are not at all doing for yourself only, you are doing for the society. So that is the
Right.
biggest cause we can say, if you are doing for the society. So it's a doctor profession. So once again, congratulations Pranav Bhatia, you
Thank you
have
so much.
really been tremendous with this with us, and we have been seeing like how you have been covering the doubts with the faculties on the online classes. So that is an inspiring moment for us also. So congratulations once again on the behalf of Kelvin, and wish you all the best. Like after 5 or 6 years, we will be seeing you in the one of the top colleges, or you can say with the white coat and with the name of doctor. So
Thank you so much.
that's a wish you all the best, beta, and congratulations. Thank you so much, Pranav. Thank you so
Thank
much
you.
for joining us. Thank you.